Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of investing apps, specifically Wealthsimple. This Canadian fintech giant has been making waves, attracting new users with its sleek interface and commission-free investing. But with all the online noise, a crucial question arises: can you trust Wealthsimple with your hard-earned money? Let's face it, handing over your savings to a digital platform can feel daunting. To answer this question definitively, we need to dissect Wealthsimple's trustworthiness from multiple angles. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack their security measures, regulatory framework, and overall reputation. Security first, keeping your money safe. Imagine this: you've meticulously researched stocks, built a solid portfolio, and now it's all resting on Wealthsimple's servers. What safeguards are in place to prevent breaches or theft? Wealthsimple boasts a multi-layered security approach. Firstly, they leverage industry-standard encryption protocols to protect your data. Think of it as a digital vault, guarding your personal information and investment details. Additionally, they employ two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of defense against unauthorized access. This means even if someone gets your password, they'll still need a unique code sent to your phone to log in. But security goes beyond digital fortresses. Wealthsimple keeps your actual investments separate from their own company funds. This means if, in an unlikely scenario, Wealthsimple encounters financial difficulties, your money remains protected. They achieve this through a network of custodial brokers. Think of them as secure vaults holding onto your stocks and bonds, ensuring they're not used for anything other than your investments. Trust but verify, regulatory protections. Security measures are fantastic, but true peace of mind comes from knowing there are external watchdogs safeguarding your interests. Does Wealthsimple operate within a robust regulatory framework? The good news is Wealthsimple is a registered investment advisor with the Canadian Securities Administrators, CSA. This translates to strict oversight, ensuring they comply with all investment regulations. Additionally, depending on the account you choose, your cash holdings might be covered by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. The CDIC acts as a safety net, protecting your cash in case of a bank failure, up to a specific limit, of course. Beyond the regulations, building a track record. So, Wealthsimple seems secure and operates within the legal boundaries. But how does their actual track record with users stack up? Here's where things get interesting. Wealthsimple is a relatively young company compared to traditional investment institutions. This lack of a long-term track record can cause some hesitation. However, they've managed to amass a significant user base in a short period, which speaks volumes about their user experience and customer service. Reading online reviews paints a mixed picture. While many users praise the user-friendly platform and commission-free investing, some express concerns about limited investment options or the lack of human financial advisor interaction. So, can you trust Wealthsimple? Based on our analysis, Wealthsimple appears to be a trustworthy platform with robust security features, regulatory oversight, and a growing user base. However, trust shouldn't replace your own research. Here's the bottom line: Wealthsimple is a viable option, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Carefully consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and comfort level with technology before taking the plunge. Remember, you're the captain of your financial ship. Explore Wealthsimple's offerings, compare them with other platforms, and don't hesitate to seek professional financial advice if needed. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Wealthsimple's trustworthiness, leave a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on all things finance. Until next time.